Blizzard-like conditions are not the only worries on Long Island. There are also concerns there about flooding in some areas. Long Island reporter Kristin Thorne live in Babylon, Suffolk County. Kristin.
David, is officially high tide here in Babylon. 12:20 is when it was supposed to hit. Let me show you right here the Bergen Point here, the bulkhead. You can see it's just about to come over here, but we still have some space. More importantly, if you look over here at the houses, we've got even more of a buffer over there in terms of the tide. So definitely higher than it was even just a few minutes ago. But, you know, it does not appear that at this point, since we are officially in high tide, that the water is going to breach that bulkhead over there. Look at these ducks and geese. Aren't they just beautiful? I want to take a second and show people that too. At some point in this storm, we've got to stop and enjoy the beauty. It really is beautiful. I've been marveling at these ducks and geese for the last hour. They look really quite comfortable in this frigid water here. Let's give you a look at the North Shore of Long Island. We told you about the South Shore. Let's look at the North Shore of Long Island. In Huntington, definitely, as we see in typical storms, more snow coming down, more inches up there. But this is this really nice snow, this soft, it is just fluffy. And I have to tell you, we've been talking about staying off the roads. That is definitely happening around Long Island, that we saw very, very few people on the road. So that is very, very good. Nassau County Executive Laura Curran is asking people to continue cooperating like that. We're gonna have Nassau County Executive Laura Curran for you there. Again, just thanking people for staying off the roads, asking people to stay off the roads. In terms of the flooding here, that's important too, because they have to be able, they don't want cars on the road. If this water does come over, they don't want that. You can see right here, actually perfect timing. Look at that. Look at that. Couldn't have planned that. You can see the type of water that we have coming over here in Babylon. Again, this is high tide right now, so we are in the heart of it right now. This is not horrible. This is manageable. People that live down here know how to do this. The important thing is that, again, if we look back over there, Tony, if you don't mind, the houses, again, we've got a lot of space there for this water to come up a little bit more. So I think these homes are going to be okay. In terms of transportation, nice bus service in Nassau County will be suspended as of 1 o'clock. So very important. We want to get that message out there. That's coming up, in about half an hour here. So nice bus service will be suspended at 1 o'clock.